Dear Andres 40 students, this is Mr. Moses. I hope you and your families are safe and healthy. I want to take this time to welcome you to our first virtual assembly. Today we kick off our ROAR expectations. And whether you are learning in a classroom at school or learning in your classroom at home, is it expected that you show your best Andres Duarte Cougar pride and behavior? Remember, all Andres Duarte students roar. We show respect, we take ownership, we act safely, and we are responsible. I wish you all a continuing healthy and safe school year, and I want you all to continue to do your very best. I encourage all of our students every day to show these actions and how we roar.